everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Sheila here. Happy Saturday. I hope everybody had a great week and having a great weekend. This is going to be a gully washout weekend for us here in North Carolina. I mean, like right now it is like pouring down the rain. I mean, like it's going to be like this all the way to next Thursday. Yuck. But anyway, welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining. And for you guys that have been here since day one, again, I could never thank you guys enough. Thank y'all so much. Okay, well today I thought I'd bring you like a quick little past shopping haul. For those who don't know, we're actually moving. I've already started packing up. And I was in my office the other day, and I had to go in my closet to get some computer paper because I kind of like keep all my excess computer paper, staples, pens, that kind of thing. And when I went to open up the door, kind of looking around, I was already starting to think, hey, I really need to get in here and start getting some of this stuff packed up. And I kind of looked down at the floor at the corner, and I thought, what is that bag? What are these bags? Because I had a box of like computer paper sitting on top of it. I'm not sure if you guys know what I'm talking about. Like I go like either to Sam's or Office Max and I buy like computer paper in a big box. Well, it was sitting there and I kind of moved it a little bit and I thought, what is this? And it was two big bags. And when I went down there to pick it up, it's heavy. And I thought, what in the world is this? And I got to looking at it, and you guys, I found some stuff I forgot I bought. And so I thought I would show you what I have found. Actually, starting with, and by the way, part of my appearance it's humid and it's raining, and so I just come in from grocery shopping this morning and I got like a rat, so sorry. But anyway, starting with this, I found, I had purchased there's 6 of these Spade plates. Oh my goodness, these are beautiful. They were normally $25 a piece. Yes, you heard me. $25, no way. But I had purchased them for $7 a plate. And they are beautiful. Now I remember when I found the bag, I had actually purchased these for our daughter's. She had a little apartment, and actually it's a beautiful apartment. And she was going to get transferred. For those of you who don't know, she's a flight attendant. So she was up for a transfer to another base, a couple states over, and so her lease was up, and she didn't want to re-sign another lease waiting on her transfer, so she actually moved in with us. So I had purchased these for her, and then I guess when she did not move, I guess I just kind of put them in my office in the closet. So anyway, these were for her. And when I showed her these, she was like, oh man, but she's moving again. So, so she'll be taking these with her. So, they've been safe and sound in my closet. But look how beautiful these plates are. They're white with like a royal blue trim. For those Kate Spade lovers out there, know that her line is either like the royal blue with the white trim or white with a royal blue trim. And these plates were, like I said, there's like 2 little blue stripes around there. They're beautiful. And, actually I got 6 of these, and, sorry, the dessert plates that goes with these, I've got them in my office. I already started packing them up. I thought I got one with me. So imagine a smaller version of this here. I think they were like 20 bucks a piece normally, and I got them for $6 a piece. So just imagine a smaller version of these, and I got 6 of those as well. Then in the bag I found, I had got her 6 of these here. They're the bowls. Now see how different this is. This has got the royal, like a thicker royal blue stripe here, and then the white at the bottom. And these were normally $24 a piece. Yes. But Sheila didn't pay that. Sheila paid $5 a piece on clearance, as you can see. I hope you can see that. There you go. They're beautiful. Now, if I'm not sure she'll use them, but each one of them's got this like clear, like that Kate Spade right there. It's not, that's not part of the design. That's like a little clear sticker she'll need to remove. But if she wants to just kind of stage like a tablescape, she should kind of, you know, like either, you know, remove it or leave it there, whatever she wants to do. And I also picked her up, well, in the bag. I got her a set of table linen napkins, the cloth, and they're like this. They're like a ivory color, off-white, and these were normally $19.99, and I got them on clearance for $7. You can see that or not. $7. So Homegoods must really had a great clearance sale on this right here because she loves Kate Spade. And so I actually bought these for her. So that's where they were, and that's who these belong to. So when she does get everything transferred over, and we're actually packing her as well. So, you know, I'll get all these packed up for her. So she'll start a new apartment off with a beautiful set of dishes for her table. Okay. Then in there, actually I had found some, there was some Christmas stuff in there, which I'm not going to show because I, you know, don't want to show nobody no Christmas stuff yet, but I'll show that, guys, at a later date. But that's all I have for you today. I just wanted to show you what I found in my closet. I was quite shocked, you know, that whole brand new set of dishes, you know, but you'd be surprised what you kind of like squirrel away sometimes, huh? But anyway, I just want to let you know what was going on, and I'm so sorry to make this so short, but I've got some things I got to get started, and we're packing, and the house is looking like crazy. I'm almost ashamed to even let anybody in. I've got boxes everywhere because there's multiple offers on this house already, and an offer was accepted, and so inspection is next week. So I am trying to scramble around to, you know, get this house packed up, and we're actually still looking for a rental until we find our next home to buy, because I don't have time. Because I didn't think this house would sell that fast, but it was on the market for one day. Bam. So, I mean, it's a seller's market out there. And, but right now, I've got a couple appointments. I mean, I've got a few houses I'm going to look at. My husband and I want to go look at some tomorrow. We got appointments to look at some. So, you know, and we're scrambling around. You know, this is happening way too fast, and it's scaring me. I'm having anxiety about it, but yeah, I mean, it's not a huge secret. So don't, you know, I've had people ask me why I'm not said why we're moving. I don't know why. It's no big secret. It's nothing financial. Lord God, no. Actually, it's quite the opposite. And so anyway, so it's, you know, I'll get into more detail at a later date, I promise. And now for those of you, you know, all you new ones, thank y'all so much for joining me. Those you oldie but goodies, thank you guys for staying with me and growing. You guys, we're almost at 800 subscribers. Can y'all believe that? Okay, every time I'll see if my subscriber number goes up one time, I'll start crying. One number, I'll cry because my husband says, "Why are you in tears?" Because I told him I got 3 new subscribers. I'm just. Some people say they're so appreciative of subscribers, but the difference between them and I is I'm for real about it. I mean, I could not thank you guys enough. And just think, we're closer and closer to that 1,000 goal mark I want, so I can have a live with you guys, so we can chat, we can talk, and, you know, kind of like, you know, sit around and have either some wine, margaritas, or coffee, or whatever you want to do, and we can just sit and have a chit chat. And again, now coming up, you know, for my videos, I'm probably just going to do some shopping hauls, and then I'll do an empty house tour to show you, you know, the complete house empty, and then of course I'll show you the new house. We'll do a new house tour as well. So you know, just hang out with me, stay with me while I'm going through this moving process, and then we can get to decorating, and you know, and we can have some fun, and we can do some shopping and all kinds of things. Okay, guys, all right, so sorry for keeping it so short, but I just want to come in and show you and just say hey, and I miss y'all. And hopefully, I think I've got to everybody's comments. And but again, guys, we're getting really, really close to that 1,000 mark, and we're growing so fast. And I could never, ever, ever say thank y'all enough. Truly, from the bottom of my heart, thank y'all for just watching little old me. You know, okay, I'm gonna start crying. I always do. All right, guys. Like I said, next week I'll probably do another shopping haul, and maybe I'll show you like you know, maybe I'll take some footage of some houses we're supposed to go look at tomorrow, you know, because I don't want to bore you guys. We'll play it. So I should see y'all Monday or Tuesday. Alrighty. Y'all take good care, and thank y'all again for watching. Sending all my love from my home to yours. Happy decorating. Bye-bye.